ഇനി സംസാരിച്ചില്ല.
Good evening, my dear friends, Sophia University. Now I am here to welcome Professor Hamad Hassan. He is one of my favorite friends. He visited Kerala more than 10 times. I think he has visited in Trivandrum around 2002. And he has visited almost all part of Kerala like Trivandrum, Kovalam, Varkala and Alapi houseboat. Where I am standing here, it is in Kumaragam. That is one of the best place in Kerala. That is very famous for the coconut places. It is the land of Kerala. Actually, Hamada sir came in 2002. He came with 23 students and I met him at that time. Then we have visited almost all places of South India like Chennai, Mahabalipuram and Tanjore, almost all the places. And we have visited Professor Thomas Isaac and TK Jose IAS, and he has a very good program of Kudumbashri and poverty eradication program and Kerala Model Development Program. Almost all very close to the Kerala Development Program. And he has visited Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple in Trivandrum. He has got a very good chance to see the world treasures temple in the world. That is the Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple in Trivandrum, and he is very favorite the chicken 65 that is in Panchali in Trivandrum. That is his favorite food. That is very close to the Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple, and chicken 65 and kingfisher beer. That is the most favorite food of Professor Hamad Hassan. Then what did I say? And he is one of the friend of Dr. John Puttankalam. He is also from Alapi. Once he visited his house with 22 students. That is in 2002. And then he back to Sophia University. Then he has came back in 2005, and we have visited Alapi, and we stayed in one night in the houseboat. Then we visited Father John Puttankalam house in Alapi, and we had a very good lunch that time in 2005. Then once he came to Trivandrum alone, he has stayed over at Loyola College in Trivandrum. There is one former director, Father Dominic. He is one of his favorite friend, Father Dominic. We stayed there, and once he came to my house, that is in 2007. Then you know that. Then we have tasted Kerala food and all these things. And you know, Misa, Ayuko, then all the friends, all relation with the Professor Hamad Hassan. And what did I say? I think Hamad Hassan likes to see Kerala much more time, and he has visited Costa Rica, and he said he is going to visit international coffee conference in Brazil once 3 times, and he has visited almost all parts of the world like Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Costa Rica, Kerala, and I think most of the countries he has visited. And son is running one restaurants in Singapore, I think, but he likes to see Kerala much more time. I think Hamad Hassan, he is one of my favorite tourist and my favorite friend. I hope I never seen such a charm professor like this. I felt like that Hamad Hassan is very close friend of mine, and he is always talk to me like a friend, and not even as a professor. He always talk to me like a very close age, and we have a good relations with him. And what I say, then once we met Trivandrum. We watch one Malayalam movie in Trivandrum theatre, and I like to say he likes to come back again and again. Maybe through you understand, I understood that he is going to retire Sofia University. But I think for the economic students, he is one of my the best treasure for the Sofia University. I hope Sofia University will lose something, because Hamada sir is the most worth professor of the Sofia of Tokyo in Japan. What do I say? I think Hamada sir, once we visited North Kerala, that is the Kannur and Talasheri. We visited the hand weaving center and the Kerala BD workers center. You know, BD is like a local cigarette. It is very cheap cigarette in Kerala. While we are visiting in Kerala, we can see lots of villagers making money after making out this BD and all, because you know North Kerala is very famous for the Communist Party center. Most of the Communist Party workers born and brought up there in Kannur, that is like EMS and all the things. Professor Dr. Thomas Isaac is also one of the most well-known communist leader in Kerala. Hamada sir knows Dr. Thomas Isaac very long back, because they met sometimes back in America or sometimes there. I think Hamada sir likes to come back, and he likes to holiday in Kerala once more time. Ohayou gozaimasu. Wakarimashita. Arigato. Omae ra suki da. Hamada san. Ohayou gozaimasu. Arigato.
സാറേ അവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നിന്നപ്പോഴാണ് ആകെ ഡാർക്കായിപ്പോയി. അവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള വ്യൂ ഇല്ലേ നന്നായിട്ട് ക്ലിയർ ആണ്.
എങ്ങനെ സാറേ? എങ്ങനെ
ഓഫ് തീർന്നിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ കട്ട് ഇപ്പം ഓണായി കിടക്കുക സാറേ.
അതെ കറക്റ്റ്.